يا ثانويين ورجيتكم فيديو جديد من الجزء الثاني بتاع اصوات وبوستر لاني وجدت اخرين ولا تنسوا اللايك والاشتراك وهاي بس هذا كل شيء.
So tired. Seriously, on, you know. Yes.
That's good.
So good. I love staying awake. Guess I have to do stuff. So just chill. Sand. So cool. Yeah. So happy.
I see you. Look, my favorite brawler! Brawl Stars forever! I'm gonna chase you, and I'm gonna find you. You can't get away from me, ever. This is so cool! So many cool brawlers. Don't touch my scrapbook. Let's go explore. Let's see what's buzzing. What a fascinating biosphere. You pose a threat to the hive. Beautiful. Sweet nectar. Buzz off. Mind your own beeswax. Can you be more annoying? Think of the... You're like the queen bee. I'm buzzing. Believe in yourself. I'm the bee's knees.
I really appreciate it. It's some really cool videos you got going there. All right, so I'll just go through some lines. Let's go! We can do this! Yes! Leon in the lead. Woohoo! Invisibility. Hey, Nita. Yeah! Ha 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 ha! Yes! 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 Not fair! Watch this! Sneaky time! Time to brawl! See ya! Anyway, thanks so much, Leo. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet of the lines from Brawl Stars.